हेलो गाइस, चलो तो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है पॉलिनोमियल। पॉलिनोमियल में हमने कल तक क्या देखा था? डिग्री ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल, देन लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, देन क्यूबिकल पॉलिनोमियल एंड देन बाई क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। सो उसके बेसिस के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चन है। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन आर पॉलिनोमियल। तो इनमें से कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन जो है क्यों पॉलिनोमियल है वो आपको यहाँ पे बताना है। सो द फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन इज expression number 1 is 4x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 7. Is this expression is a polynomial? So yes. Why this expression is a polynomial? Because there is only one variable x and whose degree is 2. यहाँ पे भी डिग्री कितना है 1. So all the indices are positive integers. That's why the given expression is a polynomial. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? Yes. Given expression is a polynomial because degree of variable is because power of each variable is whole number सबका पावर कितना है? होल नंबर है. नाउ सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन इज 3 रूट t प्लस t रूट 2. सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन इज 3 रूट t प्लस t रूट 2. इज दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज अ पॉलिनोमियल? नो. तो रूट टी का मतलब होता है t टू द पावर 1/2. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज 3 इंटू टी टू द पावर 1/2. तो रूट टी मीन्स t टू द पावर 1/2 प्लस रूट 2 इंटू टी. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज रूट 2 इंटू टी. बट यहाँ पे पावर जो वेरिएबल है, वेरिएबल का पावर कैसे? फ्रैक्शन में. अगर हमें पॉलिनोमियल दिखाना है किसी एक्सप्रेशन को, सो द पावर बिकम्स होल नंबर. तो पावर क्या होना चाहिए? उसका पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए, नहीं तो होल नंबर. उसको हम होल नंबर बोलेंगे. सो t टू द पावर 1/2 है यहाँ पे, t टू द पावर 1/2. दैट्स व्हाई दिस पॉलिनोमियल, दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. सो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या है? वो नो. बिकॉज पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज fraction. Power of the variable is fraction. That's why the given expression is not a polynomial. Fraction means that is t to the power 1/2. Okay, t to the power 1/2. That's why this polynomial, this expression is not a polynomial. Next, third expression is what? The third expression is x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Is this given expression is a polynomial? तो इसका आंसर आएगा नो. क्योंकि यहाँ पे पावर पॉजिटिव है सभी, बट देर आर 3 वेरिएबल्स. वन इज x, सेकंड वन इज y एंड थर्ड वन इज t. देयरफॉर दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक नहीं बल्कि 3 वेरिएबल है. देयरफॉर दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. दैट्स व्हाई नो. Because in this expression there are 3 variables. तो हमें एक्चुअली कितना चाहिए? वेरिएबल्स ओनली 1. यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल है. दैट्स व्हाई गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. नेक्स्ट वन इज फोर्थ एक्सप्रेशन इज y प्लस 2/y is equal to y plus 2y to the power -1. So is this expression is a polynomial? तो इसका आंसर भी नो है, because the power of the variable is negative. So negative अगर पावर है तो एक्सप्रेशन पॉलिनोमियल नहीं है. पावर कैसे चाहिए? ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पे पावर नेगेटिव है एंड यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में y है. सो y का पावर 1 है. ऊपर जाने के बाद y का पावर क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज -1. That's why the given expression is not a polynomial, because the power of the variable is power of the variable is negative. वेरिएबल का पावर जो है वो कैसे है, नेगेटिव. दैट्स व्हाई द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. नेक्स्ट द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इन फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन. एग्जांपल नंबर 2 इज find the coefficient of x square in the following expression. So the first expression is 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 3 minus 17x to the power 2 plus 10. So this is a polynomial, and in this polynomial the coefficient of x square is, so यहाँ पे x to the power 5 है, ये x to the power 4, this is x to the power 3, यहाँ पे x to the power 2. इसका coefficient means the constant term attached to x square. x square को जो attach है, that number is known as a coefficient. So coefficient कितना है यहाँ पे -70. So the coefficient of x square is -70. So our answer becomes -70. Next one is second question is pi by 2 x square plus 15x. This is also one polynomial, and in this polynomial coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Okay, this is the coefficient of 15 is the coefficient of x, and pi by 2 is the coefficient of x square. That's why our answer is pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the coefficient of x square. Next one is third question. Third question is that root 2x minus 1. So root 2x minus 1. तो यहाँ पे x square का टर्म ही नहीं है, x square वाली टर्म ही नहीं, तो x square वाली टर्म नहीं, तो उसका कोएफिशिएंट कितना है, 0. That's why कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square is 0. यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर वाली टर्म ही नहीं, मीन्स मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ उसको 0x स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 2x माइनस 1. सो द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 0. दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट कितना है, ओनली 0. सो आवर आंसर इज इक्वल टू 0. देन 27x स्क्वायर प्लस नेक्स्ट वन इज 27x स्क्वायर प्लस only 27x square. So the coefficient of x square is 27. So the coefficient of x square is 27. Next one, the question number 3. So the main question number 3 is, these are the model questions. Question number 3 is, which of the degree of following polynomial? Next question number 3, which of the degree of the following polynomial. So the first polynomial is, first polynomial is only 1 plus x. So in this given expression, what is the power of x? Highest power of x is equal to 1. That's why the degree is equal to 1. Second expression is root 2x to the power 5 plus root 3x to the power 8 plus 9. So this is also one polynomial, and in this polynomial the highest power of the variable x is 8. That's why the degree of this given polynomial is equal to 8. So degree is equal to 8. इसका degree जो है 8 है, because highest power of the given variable, so the variable is x, there is only one variable and the highest power is 8. That's why degree is equal to 8. Then next one is third one, 4 minus y to the power 2. 4 minus y to the power 2. In this expression there is only one variable, that is y, and the degree of highest power of the variable is 2. That's why the degree is equal to 2. Degree of this given expression is equal to 2. And last one is 0. Fourth question, find the degree of 0. So आपके पास अगर 0 है तो 0 का degree is not defined. Degree of 0 is not defined. Okay, so 0 का degree not defined. Next one is 52. What is the degree of 52? So 52 can be written as 52 into any variable, suppose z to the power 0, because we know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1, and 52 into 1 is equal to also 52. That's why the degree of any constant term, any constant number is equal to 0. So degree of this is equal to 0. Okay, degree of any constant number, any number is equal to 0, because any number can be written as that number into variable to the power 0, because variable to the power 0 is nothing but 1, and 1 into any number is equal to that number itself. That's why the degree is equal to 0. Next one is classify the following expressions or polynomial in linear, quadratic, cubical and biquadratic. So the next question is classify the following as, question number 4, classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic. So the first expression is 1 plus x. So this is first expression, and in this expression there is only one variable x whose degree is 1. That's why this expression is known as a linear polynomial. Why this is linear? Because the degree of variable is equal to 1. So write down the degree of given expression. The degree of given expression is the degree of given expression is 1. Therefore given polynomial is linear polynomial. Therefore given polynomial is linear polynomial. So the given expression is linear polynomial. Next question is, that is x to the power 2, only x to the power 2. So degree of the variable is 2. That's why this expression is the quadratic, because highest power is 2. Okay, so this one is quadratic polynomial. Linear, क्वाड्रेटिक, क्यूबिक एंड बाइक्वाड्रेटिक किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? तो डिग्री के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. इफ डिग्री 2 है तो उसको क्वाड्रेटिक. इफ द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज 3 देन दैट पॉलिनोमियल इज क्यूबिक. इफ डिग्री ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल इज 4 मींस हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज 4 देन दैट पॉलिनोमियल इज बाइक्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. नेक्स्ट वन इज फोर्थ वन, 5x to the power 4. Next, third one is root 5x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 2 minus 5. This is also one polynomial, and in this polynomial the highest power of the variable is 4. Okay, that's why this polynomial is called as a biquadratic polynomial. So this one is biquadratic polynomial. Next, fourth one is 27x s to the power 3. 27s to the power 3 minus 5s plus 2 minus 5s square plus 2s plus 15. This is also one polynomial, and in this polynomial the variable is s and the highest power of the variable is 3. That's why this polynomial is called as a cubic polynomial. Because the highest power of the variable is 3. So this is cubic polynomial. This one is biquadratic polynomial because the highest power of the variable is 4. In this expression the highest power is 2. That's why this is quadratic polynomial. And in first expression the degree of given variable is 1. That's why this is a linear polynomial. तो इस टाइप इसका क्लासिफिकेशन हो जाएगा. Next one is rewrite the following in standard form. Next question number 5 is rewrite the following in standard form. आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है पॉलिनोमियल इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. So the first expression is expression number 1 is 1 upon 3 minus 5y 4 x to the power 2 plus 8 x to the power 3 plus 1 by 5x plus 1 by 5x. अगर आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स द पॉलिनोमियल कैन बी रिटन आइदर इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, देन दैट फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एज ए स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. तो इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है मीन्स एक तो आइदर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखो नहीं तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. सो द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल इज डिसेंडिंग मीन्स ग्रेटर टू स्मॉलर. सो the greater power is 3, that's why that term is 8x cube. So 8x cube, then second power means x to the power 2, so that term is minus 5 by 4 x to the power 2. So minus 5 by 4 x to the power 2 is the second term. Third term is x to the power 1, so 1 upon 5 x to the power 1, and the last term is plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so the power of the variable 1 by 3 into x to the power 0. Okay, no need to write this, only 1 by 3 it is sufficient. So this order is descending order. Descending means greater to smaller, or we can write it again 1 by 3. This is descending order, and now this second one is ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater. Plus 1 upon 5x, then minus 5 by 4 x to the power 2, and then plus 8 x to the power 3. आप either ऐसा लिख सकते हो नहीं तो ऐसा लिख सकते हो. This is descending, this one is ascending. Ascending means smaller power to greater power. Okay, so these two types में से कौन सा भी आप लिख सकते हो. This is the standard form. These two are the standard form of given polynomial. Next question is, second question is 2 plus y square minus y plus y to the power 3. This is the second polynomial, and this is not in standard form. So write down this polynomial in standard form. Write down this polynomial in either ascending order or descending order. So first of all, write down this polynomial in descending order. Descending order means, write down first descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. So the greater power is y to the power 3. So the first term is y to the power 3, then plus y to the power 2, next one is minus y, and the last one is plus 2. Plus 2 is the constant term. So this is descending order of the given polynomial. Next, or we can write it as in ascending order. So the ascending order means smaller to greater. Ascending order. So the first term is 2, then minus y, then plus y to the power 2, and the last term is y to the power 3. So this form is called as a standard form of the given expression or given polynomial. So these are the standard form of given polynomial. And the last question is, third one is, next one, third one is minus 3 to the power x, minus 3 to the power x cube, then minus 4x plus 2x to the power 2, and last one is plus 4x to the power 5. So write down this polynomial in first descending order. So the descending order is, descending order of the given polynomial is, descending means greater to smaller. So the highest power of the variable x is 5. So the first term is 4x to the power 5. Next term is minus 3x to the power 3. Because x to the power 4, there is no term of x to the power 4. That's why directly we can write minus 3x to the power 3. Next term is plus 2x to the power 2. and last one is minus 4x. So this is the descending order of the given expression or given polynomial, and it can be also written as in ascending order, or the ascending order is so the last term is minus 4x, next one is 2x square, then next one is minus 3x cube, and the last term is plus 4x to the power 5. So this is the ascending order of given expression. So this is all about ascending and descending order of given expressions. Okay, so this is all about the polynomial. This is basic things. Okay, chalo friends, best of luck. Thank you everybody.